Hi there! Today I'm going to share with you about how to install Minikube. My name is David and I thank you for watching this video together with me. So let's get into it. Before I go further, if you would like to increase your technical knowledge, I would like to invite you to follow our Facebook page at facebook.com/ReadySpace and also subscribe to our YouTube channel at youtube.com/ReadySpace. And if you would like to learn even more, do follow us in our LinkedIn page as well as subscribe to our Telegram channel. And I look forward to have more communication with you. So, what is Minikube? Minikube is a tool that makes it easy to run Kubernetes. Minikube runs on a single node Kubernetes cluster inside a virtual machine, so that you are able to try out Kubernetes or develop with it day to day. So what exactly is Kubernetes? Kubernetes is a portable, extensible, open source platform for managing containerized workloads and services that facilitates both declarative configuration and automation. It has a large, rapidly growing ecosystem. Kubernetes services, support and tools are widely available. Is this confusing you? Well, Kubernetes in a nutshell is a platform that allows you to run your application with the least downtime and also allows you to scale your application in a super large, manageable way. Some of the benefits of Minikube. Minikube is easy to run and deploy. It is also a way that you can learn and experiment on Kubernetes cluster and Kubernetes application. You are able to use it as well for evaluation. Especially right now, Kubernetes has been having a lot of updates and new functionalities. Almost every single week, there will be some new applications or new features that Kubernetes have released. You can also use it as a sandbox to play with Kubernetes and also explore its extensibility. You can also use it as a proof of concept in your company to run cloud-native applications. Before installing Minikube, there are some prerequisites that you need to meet so that you can install Minikube successfully. And here they are. First, you have to sign up a ReadySpace Cloud account. To sign up a ReadySpace Cloud account, you can go to readyspace.com/sign-up. And then, from ReadySpace Cloud account, order a cloud server and install this cloud server with the latest Zen OS operating system. And if you would like to, you can also register a domain name and create a subdomain.
To start off, first, we need to install Docker into our server. And if you already have Docker installed, what you need to do is to update Docker. As you can see in the screen, that is how you should update Docker. Once completed, you will see its status saying that it's complete. Next, what we'll do is we'll start Docker itself and then check the status. So you can see that it's already activated and running. Next step, we will be installing kubectl, and this is actually the control interface for controlling Minikube. kubectl is also used to control Kubernetes cluster. To do that, do a yum install -y kubectl. Wait for the installation to be completed. Now that the kubectl has been installed, the next thing that we need to install is Minikube. To do that, use the wget command as seen in the screen. Once all is done, the next thing we need to do is to give kubectl permission to execute. Check if Minikube is installed by entering Minikube version. That will verify if Minikube is being installed. The last step now is to start Minikube by using the command minikube start. And that's pretty much what you need to do to install Minikube.
We have come to the end of this training. I hope that it has given you insights that will improve your technical knowledge. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to comment in this post below, or you can visit our website and have a chat with us, and our team will be happy to assist you. I hope that you have enjoyed this training, and I look forward to see you in the next one.